You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more names of famous places in the US, more confusing surnames as well, brand names, stay tuned. There are more videos for you. Pronounced in British English, Knox. American English pronunciation, Knox, as in Fort Knox, for example. It's essentially pronounced with a silent K. Pronounced English pronunciation, Knox. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.